how to download Form 16 or 16A from Traces and how we will affix digital signature on it. For downloading the Form 16A or 16, we have 3 steps to complete. Please watch without skipping the video till the end. It would be very useful for you. After watching the videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Enable the bell icon. You will get real-time notifications when I upload new videos. I am Sabu Joseph. Welcome to SBJ Academy. Hundreds of practical and useful videos relating to income tax, TDS, EPF, ESI, Microsoft Excel and other accounting classes are available in my channel. Kindly watch it and drop your comment. Facebook group is also available. You can join to the Facebook group. For downloading the Form 16 or 16A, first we have to give request for the download. For that, go to Traces portal. This is the Traces portal, tdscpc.gov.in. Here you can see login. Click on login and give the user ID, password, PAN and CAPTCHA. We will log into the portal. Now we are logged into the Traces portal. On the Traces portal, we can see the menus. Here we can see the download menu. On the download menu, Form 16 and Form 16A. If you want to download Form 16A, select Form 16A, select the financial year 2020-21, the quarter Q4, whatever the quarter, we have to select it. I am selecting Q4. Then select the form, whether it is 26Q or 27Q. I am selecting here 26Q. Here we want to give the PAN number of any deductee which is included in the 26Q of quarter 4. So here I am giving one PAN number of deductee which we already filed the return. Then click on add. Now you can see the PAN added here and click on go. Now the authorized person details showing here. Click on submit. Choose KYC flow. Digital signature supported KYC validation or normal KYC validation without digital signature. I am going to give the request without digital signature. So select normal KYC validation, then click on proceed. Here Form 26Q financial year 2020-21 quarter Q4. Here we want to enter the token number. Token number means when we file quarterly return, we got a provisional receipt for the e-filing. In that provisional receipt, we can see the acknowledgement number or provisional receipt number PRN. Enter that acknowledgement number or PRN, provisional receipt number here. The next is BSR code, date on which tax deposited, challan serial number, challan amount, CD record number. Here we want to give the BSR code. For that, select any challan of 26Q which is filed for the quarter 4. On that challan, we can see the BSR code of the bank. Enter that BSR code here. On the challan itself, we can see the date of the challan or date of tax deposited. Below that, we can see the challan serial number. Enter here and the total amount of the challan. Enter here. Now it is completed. After giving the challan amount, here we have to give the PAN and amount combination. Suppose here we have given 50,000 as the challan amount. This is the total of all deductees on a concerned section. So suppose if this 50,000 includes 5 deductees, any 3 deductee PAN number enter here and corresponding tax amount enter here. If you have only one deductee who have 50,000 TDS amount, enter that deductee PAN number here, enter 50,000 here. Rest of the field you have to give 0. Okay. Now click on proceed. Now we successfully submitted the request for the Form 16A. Likewise, give the request for the Form 16 also. After few hours, again go to download, select requested download. Here we can search the download request by request number or by date, or we can see both. So I am selecting view all. See here the requested files are shown here, Form 16 and Form 16A. Now the status is showing available. When we given the request, at that time we can see the status here as submitted. After few hours, we can see that is available for download. available means that file is made ready for download. So select the concerned form. I am selecting here form 16A. Then click on HTTP download. Now the form 16A form downloaded. On the same way, select form 16 part A. Click on HTTP download. That is also downloaded. Select form 16 part B. HTTP download. Now we downloaded both the form 16 and 16A. Now we completed the first process. The second process is we have to convert this file to PDF format. Now we can read and we can open. For generating the PDF file, we have a utility which is provided by the traces. Open that utility. This is the utility for generating and signing the form 16A or form 16 traces PDF generation utility. So here we want to select the downloaded file. So click on browse, select the downloaded file. From download we can select it. This is the form 16A. Select it. Password for input file. Here the password is the TAN of the organization. So give the TAN number in capital letter. After giving the TAN number in capital letter as the password, save to folder. We have to select a folder for creating the PDF file. So that we can create a folder here. On the download folder itself, I am creating a new folder 16A. This is the folder name. Open that one. Click on OK. Now the file location given. We already inserted the USB token, digital signature USB token. So select the signature here, digital signature name. Click on proceed. Starting PDF generation. Click on OK. Now give the pin of the DSC. Click on sign. Wait for few seconds because if we have more files to create and e-sign, it will take even 1 minute. If we have only 1 or 2 files, it will process immediately. Otherwise, it will take little bit time. So wait for few minutes. The file will be created. Now see the message. 27 PDFs are generated successfully. Click on OK. Now open the file folder we created now. Go to downloads. On the download section, we created one folder 16A. This is the form 16A folder. Open it. Here you can see 27 TDS form 16A which is generated in PDF. Now we want to check whether it is digitally signed or not. So open any PDF file. Wait for few seconds. After validation only it will open. Now go to the bottom portion of the certificate. Here you can see our file is digitally signed. See a green tick mark on the form 16A. Now the form 16A is ready. You can give the hard copy or soft copy of the certificate to your detective. Now we completed the 16A generation. Then go to form 16. 16 also we downloaded now. Then click on browse. Select the form 16 part A first. So this is the form 16 part A. Okay. The password, that is TAN number in capital letter. The file location where we want to save the file. We can create one more folder 16 only. This one is 16A and this is 16. Open the folder. Click OK. Now select the DSC holder name. Click on proceed. Starting PDF generation. Click on OK. Wait for few seconds. One PDF is generated successfully. Now we successfully created the part A of form 16. Part B we have to generate and we have to digitally sign. For creating the part B of form 16, we have to use another PDF generation utility which is given by the traces. So close this one. We can open that one. This is the utility for generating PDF of form 16 part B. Traces form part B PDF generation utility. Here browse the file which we downloaded from the traces portal. On the download form 16 part B. Select it. Give the TAN number as the password. Browse for the file location form 16. Select the DSC holder name. Click on proceed. Starting PDF generation. OK. Wait for few seconds. Asking the pin of the DSC. Click on login. 3 PDF are generated successfully. Now go to the download section. On the download section we have created a new folder 16. Here we can see 4 files. One is Form 16 Part A and the other 3 is Form 16 Part B. All these files will be digitally signed. Open the file, go to the bottom portion, see the file is digitally signed. So no need to sign it manually. Now open the Part B section, check whether it is digitally signed. We can see that file is successfully signed. That B file also successfully signed. So what is the difference between these two? Form 16 Part A and Form 16 Part B. The difference is Form 16 Part A showing the summary of amounts paid or credited and the amount of tax deducted and deposited. So all the tax deduction details will be shown on the Form 16 Part A. This is the Form 16 related to salary. But if the deductee have no deduction, but his salary income is more than the taxable limit. So after all exemptions, if that employee have no TDS deduction, even if there is no TDS deduction, we have to include that employee also to our quarterly return. So on the Part B section, we can see the income details of the employee. Here there is no information about the TDS deduction. Instead, the income details of that employee detailed here. So we can use Form 16 Part B for e-filing the ITR 1 because in this Part B we will get all the information if it is provided by the employee. If the employee has given all his income to the employer, then we can easily find out everything for filing the ITR 1. Otherwise, we have to recalculate it for filing the ITR 1. This is the difference between Form 16 Part A and Form 16 Part B. Now I think you may understood the process of downloading Form 16 or 16A from Traces and how to digitally sign the document. All the new accountants and the accounting job seekers, please watch all the videos and try to do it. After watching the video, you have to do it by your hands. Now I am doing, you are watching. But when on the practical side, when you are doing it yourself, some error may happen. At the first attempt you may fail, second attempt you may fail. So try and try. After 2, 3, 4 attempts, we can win. So do it yourself, everything. Every day try something new. So nowadays all the processes are online. GST, income tax, TDS, EPF, ESI. So all the processes are online only. All these have different utilities, signing mechanism. So lot of things we have to do in practice. So watch everything and do it. You can study slowly. If the videos are useful, please like, share and drop your comments. And requesting to subscribe my channel and kindly enable the bell icon to get real-time notification. Kindly go through the videos. I have developed another Excel utility for the professionals who have multiple clients for calculating and filing the quarterly TDS. So from my utility, you can automatically create the RPU. If you have 100 clients, everything we can select within a single click. And if you have hundreds of challans in a month or in a quarter, everything we can fetch to the RPU within a fraction of seconds. So that video I will upload within 2 or 3 days. Stay connected with me. We can meet on next video. Till then, bye.